Hi there, students. Lurid. Okay, lurid is an adjective. Lurid, lurid. And I guess you could also just about have an adverb, luridly. Okay, we use lurid in two different ways. To me, firstly, lurid means something that's unpleasantly bright in colour, so that it looks unnatural. It's incredibly bright. Day-glow green, a lurid colour. The light shone luridly from on the white wall. Yeah, all of the lurid colours of I don't know, yeah, of this hippie poster, for example. So something with a colour that's just too bright. Um, she, uh, she was wearing a lurid lipstick. It was lurid purple, or maybe lurid nail varnish. It was really bright and buff, a bit too much. You can also use lurid to talk about a description, saying that the description is shocking, yeah, because it's got a lot of violence or blood or gore, or it's about sex, or it's immoral. So the newspaper gave all the lurid details of the scandal. Yeah, it explained the scandal luridly. Um, the lurid details of the massacre were depicted in the video. Okay, so lurid, it's shocking because it's got a lot of violence, it's got shocking detail to it. Notice when you use lurid in both of these contexts, it's criticizing, it's disapproving. Yeah, he told me about all the lurid details of his sexual exploits. Yeah, he gave me a lurid account of mutilations. Yeah, yeah, he was swearing luridly. I guess you could use it like that as well. Okay, so lurid, either a vivid description that gives such explicit details that it's meant to shock you, yeah? Um, a lurid account of the crime. Huh. He has a very lurid past. He's outrageous behavior in his past. Yeah, the whole town had been painted a lurid orange. Yeah, it looked like it was ready for the carnival. Notice actually you can also use this word lurid to mean wan, pale and pallid, although to me this sounds very literary and a bit old-fashioned. Wan, W-A-N. Yeah, he looked very wan. I don't think I would use that today, but it's a possibility that you might read. Yeah, I watched the lurid details of the accident. There were several lurid tales on the back of the magazine. Yeah, there was a lurid purple and pink sunset. If you look at the thumbnail, it's a lurid pink. Yeah, so let's see, lurid, violent, shocking, sensational, disgusting, very graphic, violent and savage, or growing very brightly, glowering, over bright. Yeah, yes, this lurid orange color. Okay, so yeah, lurid, ghastly and grim. Yeah, or with a very intense color as well. Yeah, so lurid, how formal is this word lurid? I would give it a 5 in formality, maybe 5 1/4, but you can definitely use it in an informal conversation. Use it in a semi-formal and a formal writing, so that's good because you can use it anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from the Latin word luridus, meaning pale yellow or pallid. So that's why we've got this pallid meaning as well. So, lurid, horrifying details, of an incredibly bright, shining colour, yeah? And then also this pallid or wan as well. Okay, so lurid. Tell me all the lurid details of what happened. I really want to know. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lurid. Luridly.